Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing and demonstration of the Nulaxy Universal Wireless Keyboard. This is the box that it came in from Amazon. And what comes with it is a USB cord. This is for charging your keyboard. Here is the actual keyboard. It's in this nice little case that doubles as the stand. There's the keyboard. Then how you work the case, you just lift it up and you can see all these different lines. You just push them together. And there is a magnet that grabs these and keeps them in place. And then you just put your phone or your tablet or whatever right here. Also in the box you will get a user's manual, and you'll also get a registration card for your 18-month warranty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how to pair the keyboard and show you guys how it works. Okay, so as you can see, I went and I grabbed my kid's Amazon Fire tablet. It still has the bumpers on it, so it's really big and bulky, and the stand is doing a really good job of holding it up and keeping it in place, which was something I was worried about because this thing is kind of heavy. So now I'm going to show you guys how to pair the device. Up here there is an off and on button. You slide it over to on. It'll light up for a couple seconds and then go off to save power. And then you want to hit the connect button and your Bluetooth button will start lighting up. And you want to make sure that Bluetooth is selected or turned on your device. So we have the Nulaxy keyboard, and it prompts you to enter in a code. So all you do is type the code in on the actual keyboard, hit enter, and it shows that we are connected. So super simple. So you can see that the keyboard size is really good. The keys are a great size. There's nice spacing in between them all. They are nice and responsive. I really haven't found a problem or something that I don't like about this keyboard from the use that I have had with it. I think this really comes in handy when you're using a tablet. It is so much easier than using the touch screen if you're trying to create a document or if you're writing a lengthy email, something like that. This is really nice to have. It is slim and portable. It's easy to carry around with you. So I am really impressed with this keyboard. So I'm going to show you how to pair it on one other device as well. Okay, so here we have my Samsung Galaxy 8, and I'm just going to show you guys how to connect it to that. We're going to go ahead and hit that connect button again. There we go. As it's already turned on, I'm going to turn my Bluetooth on, and it shows as a previously paired device. So I'm just going to click on that, and it should be good to go. Let's just try Googling. Oops. Myself. My YouTube page. There, and it pops right up. The only thing I'm going to say, when you previously pair a device, it will store in. Now, sometimes when you go back to connect, it doesn't want to connect properly to where you can type. So what I have found, all you have to do is go to your Bluetooth paired devices, you go and click on the keyboard and click forget device and just repair it. So it's a really simple fix, and I only saw that it really did it with my kid's Fire tablet. I have had no problem with it reconnecting on my phone whatsoever. So overall, I really like this. I like that you can use it between different devices. You can use it for Android, you can use it for iOS, you can use it for Windows, whatever. It is a good size. It's very responsive. It just takes a little bit of getting used to for me, because when I do use a keyboard, it's on my laptop and it is so much bigger than this. So it's just getting used to where all the keys are that you want to use. And that's just a learning curve that you really have to do with any new device. So I think this is an excellent purchase. I'm going to leave a link down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. And I believe I also have a coupon code that you can use. So if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And I will see you guys again next time.